The top 6 places to find voiceover work ranked worst to best. What's up, voiceover fam? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Mike Hathcote. I'm a full-time voice actor. Today we're going to talk about one of the biggest questions that new voice actors ask, and that is just, where do I find work? Now, not all of these places are created equal. Some are entry-level work, some are stepping stones, but the last one, number 1, is one that is the foundation of any full-time successful voice acting career. And as we go through these, I'm also going to discuss why having a professional demo is absolutely essential for success in most of these. Now, some you can get by with a DIY demo, but a professionally produced voiceover demo is crucial for most of these platforms. Coming in at number 6 are the freelance platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour. Those are the places that are mostly entry-level, but sometimes you can get better work on those platforms. But these are the platforms that will work if you don't have a professional demo. And the reason why they don't necessarily require a pro demo is that some of these jobs they hire based on auditions or on your samples that you send of their actual script. These are some places where you can get some initial experience and work with clients and budgets and recording and editing. You know, these are a little smaller stakes jobs, but they help you kind of stretch your wings a little bit and actually learn the process. Because remember, not all creators have big budgets like some of the major brands. So this is where a lot of those creators go to actually fill their needs for whatever project they happen to be putting out there. So are these jobs, top tier? No. But they can be great learning grounds for beginners and a great launch pad for you. Next up at number 5 is ACX, and that stands for Audiobook Creation Exchange. And this is the platform that Amazon/Audible uses to pair authors with narrators to create audiobooks. This is another great place to get experience because the barrier to entry is so low. No demo required. You can just go in, do some auditions for some jobs. If the client or the rights holder likes your audition, then you win the project. Now, the way ACX pays is they have a couple of different ways. You can do per finished hour, or you can do royalty share. And per finished hour is just like it sounds. You charge a set amount per finished recorded hour, or if you want to share in the royalties from the book proceeds, then you can go that direction. Working on ACX will also help you build some stamina because audiobooks are not short projects. So you're going to get lots of reps in when it comes to recording and editing and processing your audio. Next up are the pay-to-play sites. We're talking voices.com, Voice123, Bidalgo, VO These are sites where you can pay a fee, pay to play, and get access to auditions. Now, we're getting into a little bit more serious competition at this point. So this is where a good professional demo is key. All these sites are audition-based, meaning that they will post a job and it's up to the voice actor to submit an audition. And sometimes you're going to be up against hundreds of people for the very same project. So as long as you're ready, meaning you've gotten plenty of training and you've gotten a demo or demos to showcase on your platform, this is where you will have tons and tons of opportunities every day to win these jobs. Many times you're going to have a little higher echelon of clients, some name brands, a little bit better pay, and in some cases a lot better pay. So this is where the competition definitely starts to ramp up. But again, this is the line in the sand between the lower tier work and when you start to get into more professional work. This is when a demo or demos, a professional demo, really starts to make a difference. Each of these platforms has different pricing structures depending on, what tier you want to join at. And some of them have different levels of opportunities depending on the tier that you are on. So just keep that in mind and try to figure out which one would be the best for your situation. Coming in at number 3 are talent rosters and boutique agencies. This is where, once again, a pro demo is non-negotiable. These rosters are similar to a pay-to-play in that, you do get access to opportunities, but there is no fee to join. These are usually vetted, meaning that you submit your demos and they will decide whether or not to add you to their roster. You typically don't get as many opportunities than, say, a pay-to-play site on a roster, but some of the opportunities on these sites can be very lucrative. Another great thing about these kinds of rosters is that you're up against much less competition. So instead of being up against hundreds for a specific job, you may only be up against, dozens or maybe even less. And sometimes on these rosters, your demo is your audition. So the way that would work is instead of actually submitting a cattle call audition for people to submit, the end client will come into the roster and pick and choose, narrow down the field as to, do they need a male or a female talent, what age range and so forth. And once they listen to all the demos in whatever they've chosen, those people or person will win the audition versus actually having to read a custom script. So once again, this is why your demo is crucial on these kinds of platforms and rosters, because that is how people decide whether or not to hire you. But here's the key with rosters as well as pay-to-plays. You have to have broadcast quality audio already in place before you even get on these rosters. The people on these rosters and the people on pay-to-plays are looking for someone they can hire right now today, not someone who has to figure out their audio first before they actually start the project. All right, we're almost to number 1, but number 2 is going to be something that is very underrated. And this is something that a lot of people just really don't consider, and that is returning clients. This is where your career becomes stable and predictable. If a client hires you and they love you, then you become their go-to voice. That means fewer auditions, usually higher rates, steady income, easier communication back and forth because you develop a relationship. I've got clients who I've worked with for years. No audition necessary. They just send me a new job every so often. Now, you can pick up these returning clients from several different places. You can get them from pay-to-plays, some of them. Some pay-to-plays don't allow you to do that. Others you can actually get from social media marketing or, freelance sites, ACX. You can convert them off of the platform and start working direct. So what keeps clients coming back? Well, your professionalism, reliability, your turnaround time, and just your general sound. If you can delight them every single time, you will have loyal clients forever. And yes, at this level, a good quality pro demo is necessary. Once you send them the demo and they hire you for that first job, as long as you can deliver on the promise of what that demo showcases, they will be with you indefinitely. All right, are you ready for number 1? Well, here it is. The number 1 place to get consistent work in voiceover is, drumroll, direct marketing. This is not only just the number 1 way, it is the engine that actually drives any successful voiceover career. Direct marketing means reaching out directly to production companies, to ad agencies, to voiceover agencies, staying top of mind, following up consistently, and building relationships with creators. This is where you're going to find the best rates, you're going to find the best clients, you're going to find the most opportunities, and be able to really build a long-lasting career. And here's why direct marketing beats everything else. Number 1, no platforms to work within the confines of. There's no middleman. You have free communication back and forth with all of your clients. The next reason why direct marketing is so great is there's way less competition. Usually it's just a handful of people that these companies use for jobs. So instead of being up against, hundreds or thousands or even dozens, sometimes you're only up against 1 or 2 or 10, or maybe even less. Maybe you are the only go-to person, which I have several of those. So you're going to get much higher paying clients. You're going to get higher profile work, some bigger name brands. You're going to hopefully get repeat work because once you delight somebody once, they will hopefully use you over and over again. But for direct marketing, you absolutely, no ifs, ands, or buts, have to have a professionally produced, broadcast quality, professionally directed voiceover demo. Because when you email a producer or an agency, the very first thing they judge you on is your demo. It is your calling card. It is your handshake. It is how people know what you can do for them. Your demo is the difference between, sounding like a hobbyist or a beginner and sounding like someone who is ready to hire today. So don't be a statistic and make sure that you do have a pro demo before you start any sort of direct marketing efforts. This is going to be the best way to put you in the pro league. Now, speaking of these big mistakes that a lot of new voice actors make, I've created a free resource for you that is a video and a companion PDF called The Top 5 Mistakes That New Voice Actors Make and How to Avoid Them. So if you want to, click in the description below and you can download that for free. You can watch the video, you can print out the PDF, and this will help you sidestep some of those initial landmines that you might run into as a beginner. So there you go, a full ranking of the best places to find voiceover work, starting from worst to best. I really hope this helped you out because it can be a little daunting when you first jump into voiceover and you're trying to figure out where the best places are to get entry-level work all the way up to pro-level work. Some are training grounds, some are stepping stones, some are big income boosters, but the last one, the number one, direct marketing, is the key to a sustainable long-term career. So start where you are, level up as you grow, and when you're ready, that professional demo will be the passport to real industry success. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And if you like this kind of content, feel free to punch that like button right in the face and then drop an atomic elbow on the subscribe button and then lightly tap the notification bell. And then that will get you notifications when these videos drop. Also, drop a comment down below. Did I miss anything? Are there places that you have found work that I didn't mention here? Drop a comment and let me know. And since direct marketing is the number one way to get work in voiceover, if you want to go a little deeper on the process of actually doing the direct marketing, then you might want to check out this right here.